Hi, Tim Blankenship here with Divorce661.com. Today we're talking about custody agreements. So when you're going through a divorce in California, people say, Tim, I don't want to have a detailed custody agreement. When I worked for a law firm, it would be 4 pages of custody agreements. It would be who they're with, when, from what date to what time, what hour, what holiday, who's picking up and what car, and what's the license plate of that car. I mean, it gets really detailed, and I feel really ridiculous. But we're talking contested cases where people are fighting tooth and nail for every penny and every time with their kid, or as much time with their kids. So it's down to the minute of when they have their children. But for the court's sake, most of our clients are very amicable, and people honestly tell me, Tim, we don't want the court's involvement in our child custody arrangements. We want to figure out on an ongoing basis what we're going to do with our children as if we are still married. And that's totally acceptable. And people are surprised when I tell them that we can have a child custody order that simply says joint legal, joint physical, and that's it. It's not going to say when, where, or how you're going to have your children. It's not going to be a holiday schedule. There's going to be nothing. It's just going to say joint legal, joint physical, and then we usually throw in a line that says parents to co-parent on an ongoing basis in the best interest of their children. And that's it. People are really surprised that you can do that. It works if you have a good relationship with your spouse. You have a lot of flexibility. Just keep in mind, if you go with a non-specific custody order like that, you can't complain to the court and say so-and-so is not abiding by the judgment or by the custody agreement, because there really isn't one, other than for you guys to say you're going to work it out on an ongoing basis. Keep in mind, if that doesn't work down the road for some reason, and it happens, you can call us up and we can draft a stipulation order and make a more specific custody arrangement that can be something that can amend the judgment. Tim Blankenship, Divorce661.com. Please go to our website for more information. We have both full service and online divorce tutorials, so we have all price points covered for you. But I would be happy to give you a free phone consultation at 661-281-0266. Thanks for watching.